Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a seemingly simple yet quite effective drip irrigation system for your garden plot. If you have a small number of plants, do you want to nourish them with moisture, water, and your absence? So all we need for this is a regular stick or wire, a nail, or screw self-tapping. We take the caps, we make holes, we make 3 holes like this so that the water quickly lasts for a couple of days at the back so it doesn't spill out. Here we make 3 holes, and now we fill the bottle with water and twist it to the stick. Well, and now of course all we need to do is just tie it up. Tie our bottle up to the stick. We measure it like this, yeah. And we tie it up with whatever we have, either a fillet or wire or rope. People tie things differently, depending on what they want. And here we can place our bottle under any of our plants, under any bush. What do we have up front? A tomato or a little tuber or something? We bury it in the ground and that's it. As we can see, 3 holes. That's a lot. A lot of water spills out. So you can make 1 hole like just a smaller diameter and adapt it to do it this way. I want to assure you, I used to doubt this method too, but as I started to observe how people do this, you really come to see people put something like that there. There are 10 to 20 bottles for 10 bushes, 20 bushes. Then they come back. There's still a little water left, and indeed, it's dripping slowly, drop by drop. They filled the bed, set up the bottles, and left, and the water is gradually being added. It's better for plants. Look, those that weren't watered this way, those that were watered this way, those are much better. They sprout and grow much better. So this method really does indeed work. No matter how strange it may seem, but it works. As for a summer house, for a plot, if of course you have. Here we can see that we have a drip irrigation system. Since it's a private house, everything is great, everything is done and mulched. But if this is a summer house where you have a couple of rows and a few plants, then this method, it's just right for you.